Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please take some seconds and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so. Please do so you can join the family, okay? And thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I made this beautiful box braid on myself. Yes, I'll be showing you guys how you can make box braid on yourself even if your hair is very short. Okay, even if your hair is very short, you can still achieve this look, guys. Yes, so without much talk guys, let's get right into the video. So here I am. As you all can see, my hair is very short. Now I will start by parting my hair from the back. The only problem I encountered while making this hairstyle is in parting the hair. It was a little bit difficult for me to make a neat pattern because my hair is very short. Yeah, it took me about 4 hours before I was able to to part all my hair. Yes guys, so after sectioning the small portions, I'll go ahead and hold it with rubber. Guys, if you can get if you can get someone to help you to part the hair, please do that, okay? Because when you have a neat pattern, it will also add to the beauty of the box braid. Yes, so I found out that my hair is very dry. Now I'll go ahead and apply this DIY fresh aloe vera butter cream that I made myself. I will leave the link to the DIY fresh aloe vera butter cream in the description box. So if you want to see how I made it, check the description box. You will see the link there. Just click and watch, okay guys? So now I'll continue parting the hair. I will do the rest of the parting off camera, then I will be back, okay guys? So here I am, I'm done parting the hair, and this is it. I tried as much as possible to make a neat pattern. Yeah, so this is the hair extension I'll be using. This is 46 inches pre-stretched hair extension. Now I will go ahead and I will grab small amount of it. Then I will use my crochet pin. I will pass it at the root of the hair. Then once that is done, I will use shine and jam, and I will apply shine and jam on my natural hair as to make my natural hair to relax. This shine and jam really helped me in making this box braid. As you can see now, my natural hair is relaxed. Now I'll go ahead and grab another extension using this one as third strand. Now I'll start braiding. So here I am again. I'll be showing you guys how I do the box braid. Now using my crochet pin, I will pass the crochet pin from the root of the hair. Now I'll grab little amount of hair extension. Using the crochet pin, I will pass the extension from the root of the hair. Then once I achieve that, I'll make sure that the lengths are equal. Yes, once that is done, I will take my shine and jam. I will apply the shine and jam on my natural hair. This is as to make the natural hair relaxed, and I'll try to hide the natural hair into the hair extension. Now I'll grab another extension. The extension I passed with crochet pin will serve as my third leg. So now I have 3 extensions to braid with. Okay guys, let's do this one more time. Now I will comb the hair first, then I'll use my crochet pin, pass the crochet pin under the hair, then I'll take small amount of extension and pass it under the hair. This one will serve as my third leg. After that, I will take shine and jam and apply it on my natural hair so as to make the natural hair to relax. Then after that, I will take another extension and I will start braiding. This method is super easy, guys. This method is super easy. Once you're able to part your hair, every other thing is, is simple and easy. So here I am. This is the last one we are going to braid, and we are done. So as usual, I'll pass more amount of hair extension from the root of the hair. Then I will apply my shine and jam as to help me hide the hair. Then after that, I'll grab another hair extension. Then I'll start braiding, guys. Look at now, this hair is so beautiful and neat. It's very beautiful. All you have to make sure is that you make a neat pattern. And also, if your hair is not relaxed, just make sure you use shine and jam to hide your natural hair in the hair extension so that it won't be popping out as you braid. Okay, so guys, this is it. Look at my hair now. Look at now, I'm done braiding the hair and the hair is on flick. Yeah. So the last thing I have to do is that I'll go ahead and hold the hair with rubber band. Then I will apply hot water to the tip of the hair so that it will not unravel. Yeah, and this is how I do that. The only place I need the hot water to touch is the tip of the hair extension. So now I'm applying the hot water, and once that is done, I will use towel to dry the hair. And yeah, the hair is ready, guys. Look at now, baby girl is ready to slay. Please, if you've watched to this point, just kindly give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Please don't fail to comment and subscribe, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Look at baby girl now. Come on, guys, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.